How to share Spotify songs or playlists. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button because our channel is really small and every subscription will help us grow and it will keep us motivated to upload more. So now let's head to the video. It's very quick and simple. You open Spotify. Say for example you like a certain song, you click on that song and here on the three dots on the bottom right of the song, here three dots will show up. You have to click on that and you can click on share and you can share it on WhatsApp or WhatsApp or SMS or Instagram or whatever you feel like. That option will show up here and that's how you can share it. But if you want to share a playlist, you have to go back, you have to click on your library. For example, I want to share this playlist. You have to click on it and hold it, and here an option will show of share, and here too that option will show up for WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Twitter, whatever you feel like. It will show up here, or you can directly copy the link and even send it to someone. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.